Challenge Day 9, 10 words a day. Constructive, constructive, constructive. Contemplate, 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 contemplate. Contentious, 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 contentious. Convene, convene, convene. Conventional, conventional, conventional. Converge, converge, converge. Conviction, 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 conviction. Converse, 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 converse. Coordinate, 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 coordinate. Corruption, 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 corruption. Cheers. See you soon.